People of misconception that just because the Quran says that the flesh of khanzir, the flesh of pig is haram, or the hadith which says that the dog should not be kept could not be allowed to enter in the house because the saliva is najis. So they think that being kind to animals also is not permitted. It's totally wrong. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ always said you have to be kind to the animals. And there is a very famous hadith which all of us know, that once a lady had imprisoned and chained the cat and did not treat it kindly. Otherwise she was a pious lady and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put her in hell. Though she was pious, she used to pray, but she ill-treated the cat and chained the cat. Because of that ill-treatment, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put her in the hell. And there's another hadith where we know that once there was a lady who was not of good character, and she does zina, but once she sees a thirsty dog and she gives water to a thirsty dog. Because of that act, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgives all sin and puts her in Jannah. So showing kindness to animal is recommended in Islam.
Yes, cats are definitely pure. I mean, that's the hadith says, "Innaha min at-tawafina alaykum wat-tawafat." You know, when the Prophet ﷺ declared that they're not najis, they're not unclean, they're actually pure. So if they will roam around you, so it's fine. If they come in, go out, your prayer mat, your house, they generally are clean, they keep themselves clean. When they want to, I was about to say use the bathroom, but what I mean is when they have to excrete, for example, they would go into their own little tray, or they have a little bit of that in intelligence. So they are pure.
Alhamdulillah, I think I saw a video of you and your cat. Is it Minky or?
Yeah, they're not my cats. Yeah, it was supposed to be Menki, but they made it Minky, mashallah. So that's fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Not my cats, my kids' cats.
Mashallah.
Mashallah. Barakallah feek. We lost them a few times, but we found them always. I was hoping they didn't, but they did.